Types of chemical reactions, Part 2. Displacement reactions. When a more reactive element replaces a less reactive element from its compound, then the reaction is termed as displacement reaction. In the given reaction, more reactive iron displaces less reactive copper from its compound, copper sulfate, forming its own compound, that is, ferrous sulfate. Let us understand displacement reaction with the help of an experiment. Dip a zinc strip into a clear blue-colored copper sulfate solution in a beaker. After some time, the zinc strip gets diminished. The blue color of the solution fades away and copper particles are deposited at the bottom of the solution in the beaker. Thus, we infer that more reactive zinc has displaced less reactive copper from its compound. Double displacement reactions. Reactions in which exchange of ions between both the reacting molecules takes place, forming a precipitate, are called double displacement reaction. Here we see that positive ion of first reactant, that is, silver, combines with negative ion of second reactant, that is, chloride giving silver chloride, and negative ion of first reactant combines with positive ion of second reactant. In this case, copper ion combines with iodide ion and chloride ion reacts with potassium ion. Thus, positive and negative ions of both the reactants are exchanged to form the product molecules. Oxidation and reduction. Oxidation reactions. Chemical reactions involving addition of oxygen to the reactants, resulting in the formation of corresponding oxide as a product, or removal of hydrogen, are known as oxidation reactions. Here we see that oxygen is added to aluminium, giving its oxide, that is, alumina. In this case, copper adds oxygen to give copper oxide. As both these reactions show addition of oxygen for the formation of products, these are known as oxidation reactions. When sodium is reacted with ethyl alcohol, sodium ethoxide and hydrogen gas is formed. Here, hydrogen is removed from ethyl alcohol. Hence, this is oxidation reaction. Reduction reactions. Chemical reactions involving addition of hydrogen to the reactants or removal of oxygen from the reactants are known as reduction reactions. In this reaction, hydrogen is added to carbon, forming methane. In this case, an atom of oxygen in the form of nascent oxygen is removed from the molecule of ozone. Both these reactions are examples of reduction reactions, as in first case hydrogen is added and in second case oxygen is removed. Nascent oxygen is freshly liberated oxygen in atomic form, which is highly reactive. In a chemical equation, nascent oxygen is shown in square brackets.